Hi guys, this is Nancy and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make this beautiful pendant. For this we need pink and green quilling strips. First, taking that quilling strip of green color, we are going to make a tight coil. Make only one green type coil, but for pink I think we are going to need approximately 4 to 6, so just make them in bulk. Initially you have to make a tight coil. Done, just pinch it from any of the sides so that it become a teardrop shape, and then just push it from the face so that it creates some depth, which will look really nice. And apply some fevicol on the top of it so that it gives it shine, it becomes a little more stronger. So this step is very important. Use lots of glue. Now once that, as I said, you have to make a couple of them. I initially started making them 4, but realized 4 are less for my pendant. So to put the pendant onto your chain, you need to insert a jumping in any of the tight coil or in any of this pink teardrop shape. So I'm taking a half pink strip and then just wrapping that half pink strip onto any of the coil so that it just gets inserted and gets blend very well. I hope it will make sense once you will see what I'm doing it here, so that it becomes a part of this shape only, it alag se na dikhe. Do this step very neatly, take some time because we don't want that thing to highlight in a very different way, I would say. Now once that's done, we are going to basically paste them together. Okay, so this pink flowers, basically flower petals I would say, would get pasted onto the green tight coil. So just continue pasting and do it again very neatly. Take your time, let the fevicol dry, don't be in a hurry. Basically, while making any of the craft, just don't be in a very hurry कि जल्दी खत्म करना है. So just take your time with it and clean your hands. Okay, if you will not clean your hands while doing this step, especially when you're using fevicol, it will make your jewelry dirty. So keep a wet cloth with you and just wipe your hands after each step. Now once that's done, I'm just going to add a little kind of a shine to the pendant. So इसमें मैं आई एम जस्ट यूजिंग दिस, मतलब एक पुरानी ईयरिंग में से निकाल के आई एम यूजिंग दिस स्टोन बेसिकली फ्रॉम एन ओल्ड ईयरिंग शाइन. Now this is ready. This is how it looks. Just insert in your chain and rock it. You will see a photo soon. Wait for it. See? Yeah, it's looking nice now. I like it.